All right, hello, welcome. For this one, we'll be doing something a little different. Normally, we would go to Micro Center and shoot something and try and get some parts, but today we will be unboxing the new iPhone 12 mini. This is the 64 gig black model. Just came yesterday, and so now I'm gonna walk you through and show you what Apple does in the name of being environmentally friendly. All right, so now we get it. Now let's get the appeal test in. Ooh, ASMR. Set that aside.
Ooh.
There it is. So it looks like, I don't know about you guys, it looks more like, it has a little bit of blue in it. I don't know. It's like a black, classic Apple black. Cool to touch. They have this new paper, which makes it, frankly, a lot easier now to open these phones. And so, or do it without tearing it apart. Normally you'd have to get like a knife and cut this open, but now we'll do the screen. There we go. Yeah, so this is the iPhone 12 mini. It kind of fits in the palm of my hand about what they advertised. And so the reason why I got this phone over the regular 12 is, one, I'm actually gonna be carrying two of these. So the other one I have set up is the blue model. So we get them two side by side here. So we have the blue and the black. The blue here is a 128 gig model. The black one will be my work phone, and then the blue one will just be personal. So the blue one's already set up and running, got everything going. And the black one will be set up, I don't know, probably in a few days once I have time to set it up, but I'm in no rush. So yeah, so here are the two different most popular colors, I believe. The blue is, I guess it's, I don't know, I kind of anticipate it to be a little lighter. Feel free to leave a comment about what you guys think of these colors, but these were, from what I've seen, the two most popular colors. And I mean, I've only had black phones in the past, so getting a blue one will be a change of pace. And so yeah, I mean, let's walk through the box now that we have the two apps. So they give you the USB-C to Lightning cable, which I think I have. I have a USB-C brick over there already, a third-party one from Anchor. Does a good job. Now, Apple claims they did this for environmentally friendly, but the real secret is because this phone box is so thin, they can actually fit more per pallet. So if you guys are unfamiliar, a pallet is basically like those wooden things that they use to pile stuff up on and then get a forklift and then load it in the truck to be delivered. The thinner the box is, the more you can stack up on a pallet, and the more you can also fit on a pallet for an aircraft. So is it environmentally friendly? I guess you could argue from like a fuel perspective perhaps, but it's really about profit. So they could ship more to the stores at once, especially with the pandemic. People, I think, want phones because they want something to do at like home. Feel free to disagree if you think, well, a lot of people, that's true, a lot of people don't have money. So, but the people who are gonna buy an iPhone are gonna buy an iPhone regardless, especially if you're on the iPhone every year plan, which I'm not personally, but yeah, so here's the box. Let's go through what else is in here again. Get your SIM card removal, a little bit of nice little paperwork, and of course your obligatory Apple sticker. Other than that, there's nothing else here in the box. So I think the main question people have with the iPhone 12 mini is battery life. Now, I've only had it for a day, but I can say battery life is fine. It's not super spectacular or anything, but granted, this has the A14 Bionic as the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the same cameras as the regular iPhone 12, a nice vibrant 5.4 inch Super Retina display, although if you actually look at the specs for this is actually a 1080p screen. It's 2340 by 1080. It looks really nice. I will say it's what you'd expect from Apple, really. Right here on the side, it's got the 5G modems. Both phones have them, just like every other iPhone 12. It has sub 60 GHz and millimeter wave. And I mean, this is the phone I've been wanting from Apple personally for a while, because I mean, like people like OnePlus, right, who have always made good phones, the minimum screen size you can get is 6.5 inches. That's a lot for a lot of people. And that's actually the screen size is actually a little bit bigger than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I don't have a 12 Pro Max. There's an iPhone 12 downstairs, but I'm not gonna grab it right now. But OnePlus is kind of out there on the big phone size. Meanwhile, Apple, this is the really only compact flagship you can buy right now. I think Samsung the smallest they still sell is a 5.8. I don't know. I think it actually might be 6 inches on the Samsung S20 Fan Edition with the 120 hertz display. This is of course only 60 hertz, but I mean, for a compact phone, I mean, it doesn't get much better than this. Battery life, I'm estimating 4 to 5 hours of screen on time a day. That's what I'm projecting based on my usage. So yeah, so right now we're gonna run Geekbench on this machine, and let's see how fast it runs the compute test. We'll probably super fast forward through the compute test. But this is much faster than, actually not that much faster than last gen. I think last gen, I believe, is around 1300 points single core, 3800 or 3600 multi-core, but this proves that Apple has the fastest chip around, also because of their new 5nm process. Then they do add new widgets for iOS 14. You can put widgets for, like, I use stocks, but you can add in weather. Any of these real widgets that are here on the side, you can add in. Oh, you can add in here, up here, or over here, so on and so forth. And yeah, I mean, there's not really much else to talk about with these phones. Actually, I'm going to power up this phone.
You've had these phones for what, like a week already? Or?
A day.
Wow,
I got this phone yesterday because I pre-ordered them last Friday, and then they finally came yesterday, mainly because that's, of course, when you can buy them. Reviewers have had these phones for probably, I would say, probably a week at most. So yeah, I mean, yeah, these are the two most popular iPhone 12 minis. I mean, I'm willing to bet these will probably be one of the most popular phones just because of the size. If you had like an old 6S or an old 7, it feels about the same. It's actually a little smaller, but it feels in the hand about the same. And this is also compatible with MagSafe. I don't have any yet. I didn't order any MagSafe stuff. So if there is MagSafe and I do buy official Apple accessories, we'll probably do a follow-up video with a look at MagSafe and whatnot. But other than that, I don't know if we'll have an update video for you guys. We might have an update, a 6-month test update to see what battery life looks like, whatnot, because battery life and stuff like that is things you can only evaluate over a period of time, like once you've taken it on trips and stuff like that. And so, yeah. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay tuned, hopefully, for our next 5000 series Ryzen build, which will hopefully. GPU yet is undecided, but we will let you guys know, and we will likely film that experience as well. So it'll be very dramatic indeed. So signing off.